If you want to use the VS Code extension, just go to your extensions, search for Bruin, and install the extension. In my case, I will just restart the extension to update the extension. Once you have the extension installed, you can open the pipeline YAML file or any of the asset files, and you will see the Bruin logo on the top right corner that will open the Bruin render panel. Now let's close our terminal and take a look at this Bruin render panel. In the preview, you can see a compiled and rendered version of your query. So our query here starts with a CTE, but on the rendered version, we can see that it begins with a transaction, drops the table, and creates the table accordingly. That's what the materialization performs. For more details about the extension as well as materialization, check out our documentation. Now let's go ahead and start a new run. You can either create a run for just this asset, or you can click the drop down and run the entire pipeline. As you can see, the extension sent the command to our terminal